In this guide, we're going to be going over how you can go ahead and complete the Bassassin quest pack here in Fortnite. This is by far one of the best quest packs, and it is just returned to the Fortnite item shop. But before we actually get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point that this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, this pack is available for $9 here in the US, and it comes with a ton of different value. You not only get the skin with 2 different edit styles, you also get a matching back bling and a brand new Lego variant, which honestly looks pretty clean. On top of that, this pack also includes quests that let you earn up to 1,000 V-Bucks just by playing the game, which is super worth it. But essentially, what you're going to want to do first is obviously go ahead and purchase this pack. And after purchasing this pack, you're going to want to go back to this top screen, and up on the top, you're going to see a quest section right here. Go ahead and select the quest, and this is actually going to appear as a completely brand new section in your quest tabs. You may have to scroll down a little bit in order to actually see it. But essentially, for this quest pack, you need to complete in total 16 match quest bonus goals in order to earn the full 1,000 V-Bucks. These goals stack and track your progress automatically, so the more that you play, the more progress that you'll see here on the quest page. If you're not sure what match quests are, there are objectives that pop up during your matches. Each day, you can complete up to 3 match quests, and you can actually track these by going to your daily section. If you open up your daily quests, these are going to be those daily bonus goals, which essentially are what you're trying to get. You have to complete 3 quests to get 1 daily bonus goal, another 3 quests to get the second daily bonus goal, and then another 3 quests to get that third daily bonus goal. So essentially, you need to do 9 daily quests every single match, every single day. So no, you're not going to get the 1,000 V-Bucks instantly. It's going to take a few days in order to actually get this knocked out. But it really is as simple as that. These quests are pretty straightforward. As long as you're playing the game regularly, you'll finish them without any trouble. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point that this guide did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.